Let's have an honest conversation. Most AI video right now is pretty unwatchable. It's soulless, it's janky, it's inconsistent, and honestly, it feels like a tech demo, not a story. If you have been posting AI videos and getting zero traction, I have some tough love for you. It is not the algorithm, and it is not the model. Sora 2, VO 3.1, Kling. These tools are powerful enough to win Oscars right now. For example, in this video, I'm going to show you how I made this clip with AI. The reason your videos suck is because you are treating AI like a slot machine instead of a camera. You type a prompt, you pull the lever, and you pray for a jackpot. That is not filmmaking, that is gambling. Today, I am going to break down the 5 specific mistakes that ruin 99% of AI content. And for every mistake, I'm going to open my screen and show you the exact technical workflow to fix it, using tools you can access today. If you want to stop generating clips and start making hits, this is the video for you. Mistake number 1 is relying on text to video. You are asking the AI to do 2 impossible things at once. Imagine the perfect composition, lighting, angle, subject. Calculate complex physics and movement. It usually fails at both. You get a dreamy mess.
Days like this make the world feel still, and I can finally hear my own thoughts. Warm hands, cold air, it balances out somehow.
There's a strange peace in the cold, like the world is holding its breath.
The fix: use the anchor method with image to video. You must separate the look from the motion. Step 1, create your anchor frame in an AI image generator, or get into the real world and take a photo, and then modify that real image with AI to use as your anchor frame. We can do all of this within Higgsfield, but for this video, we're just going to generate the anchor with AI. Look at my prompt here. A blonde woman sits at a coffee table in a snowstorm. It may take a few iterations to get the character and scene you are imagining. Make sure you have the dimensions of the video you want to generate selected. This first one was square because I forgot to pick it, and I want 16:9. Generate your idea, and then continue refining your prompt to get a more specific and realistic looking result. With practice, you can get a pretty good result on your first or second try. Step 2. Bring the anchor image into the Kling model for video. In Higgsfield, you can do that by just clicking the video button on the image, because Kling is the default. Just copy and paste the prompt you used to generate the image. There is an Enhance button that seems like it helps keep things a bit more realistic. I prefer to leave it on. Here's an example without Enhance. You can see the snow looks like it's frozen in time for the first couple seconds. And with Enhance, the whole shot looks realistic. Here is the secret sauce. Go back to the image you generated and generate more frames and different shots by editing your first winning frame. Don't let the AI guess what's happening. Tell it. Using that original frame will ensure character and environment consistency. Once you have an end frame you are happy with, download your start and end frames and go back into video mode. Select the Kling O1 model so you can upload a start and an end frame, and then direct the shot with your prompt. You can also generate other camera angles and action in the same environment by modifying the original first frame to build out your idea. Let's generate something for our actress to be worried about so we can fill the space between our first two shots. Mistake number 2. I call this the zombie stare. AI clips almost always have warm-up frames. The character is buffering. If you leave these frames in, you will break the illusion instantly. Sometimes the actions are difficult to direct. The fix: cut on action. Be ruthless. Watch this clip. See how he stares and just pulls an obviously AI crowbar out? And the snow takes a second to start falling? This happened on all the clips I tried to generate. Just cut it out. You don't need it. Sometimes that happens at the end too. You can get weird morphs or facial expressions. Cut that too. You want to enter the scene late and leave early. Your clips should be short, 2 to 3 seconds max. Long takes expose AI flaws. Shortcuts hide them. This feels weird, right? Mistake number 3 is ignoring the 60% rule. Sound is 60% of the video. If you show me a rainy street and I don't hear rain, my brain knows it's fake. Sora 2 generates audio, but it's muddy.
Describe a sunrise over an alien ocean. Yes!
Cold, like the world is holding its breath.
The fix: the 3-layer audio stack. Do not just slap a song on it. Layer 1, ambience. You need to build a sonic landscape. You can use any free or paid library of sound effects you want. We're not promoting anything specific here, so I just searched Google for royalty-free sounds here. I searched for snowstorm. Layer 2, Foley, specifics. See the car coming? I would search for car slowly driving. See footsteps? Look for snow footsteps. Layer 3, the score. Now you add the music, but keep it lower than you think. The music dictates the emotion, but the Foley dictates the reality. Mistake number 4. Why does every speaking AI video sound like a synthesizer is talking to you? We already talked a little about sound, but this is really to drive home how important it is.
Warm hands, cold air.
Left alone, AI models generate weird and pitchy speech. It's getting better, but when you're generating a fresh video from a prompt with one of these tools, it's usually best to just leave the with audio feature disabled. It seems like the videos generated are also usually higher quality when the audio feature is unchecked. We'll have more videos on this channel in the near future about how to have consistent and realistic character voices, so make sure you are subscribed to learn about that. For this video, we're going to keep focusing on storytelling without speech. Mistake number 5, inconsistency. You generated a few different clips from different prompts, and they look like they were all filmed on different cameras on different days. The fix: a bit of color. We don't need to be professional colorists here. We just need to apply some simple corrections. In DaVinci Resolve, you can just click on the Color tab, go to the clip you want to correct, and then right-click on the reference clip, and then click Shot Match to this clip. This will do most of the work to make it look like your clips belong together. You can further adjust it if you need to by shifting the color temperature warmer or cooler, and then add a bit of noise to get rid of the plastic AI look. If you're in DaVinci Resolve, you can do that by just dropping fast noise onto your clip, reduce the scale, change the composite type to soft light, and use auto animation with a seethe of 1. You can then copy that effect with Command plus C and then paste the effect with Option plus V on your other clips. See that? We didn't fix every clip individually, we just gave them all the same uniform. This helps a lot if you didn't use the same environmental starting frame that we went over in mistake number 1. Here is the reality. The slot machine days are over. The novelty of "look, AI made a video" has worn off. Audiences don't care how you made it. They care what you made. If you avoid those 5 traps, use an anchor with image to video, cut the zombie stare, intentionally layer your sounds, avoid automatic speech, blend the clips with color and noise. You can stop being a tech bro showing off a demo, and you can start being a filmmaker. I have a challenge for you. Take one old AI video you made that sucked, re-edit or regenerate it using these 5 tips. You will be shocked at the difference. Go create.